Hey everybody, so I got a quick unboxing to do for some Milwaukee tools, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so we're going to be doing an unboxing. So we're going to unbox these 6.0s real quickly. I also put aside a fully charged 2.0. We're going to check the tool out. Scissors. Part number for all of these 6 amp hour XC extended 12 volt batteries from Milwaukee is 48-11-2460. These batteries have a 3-year warranty. They package these pretty tightly. That's the first battery. A little info packet. I'm hoping this will be a pretty quick video, but if it gets a little long, I apologize in advance. This one doesn't want to cooperate for some reason. Another little info packet. Second battery. I'll also tell you what the charge of the batteries were. The batteries that came with the impact, the 1/4-inch impact, hex impact, and the hammer drill, those batteries had 2 bars on them, both of them, and the free 6 amp hour that I got also had 2 bars on it, just to let you guys know, because I forgot to put that in the video. I also did not turn those tools on and show you guys. I believe the hammer drill has a soft start, because when you put it on clutch setting 1 and you turn it on, it slowly speeds up from what I noticed. Anybody else, here's the third 6.0. Anybody else that watches this video knows if the hammer drill does have a soft start, let me know. The other little info packet. Okay, so we got these 3 free 6.0s that I got out of the package. Okay. Grab my knife. I'm going to pop the tape off of this. Specifications are on the side. RPM 0 to 400 on setting 1 and 0 to 1600 on setting 2. Max torque 300 inch-pounds. Chuck, it's got a 3/8 all metal ratcheting chuck. Magnetic bit holder, yes. Length 5.12 inches. Weight 2.0 pounds. I really dig this bag. I like this bag. It's a nice compartmentalized bag. Here is the first two. It's the first two. And we'll also check these to see what battery level they're at. Here's the second two. Here is the charger, as well as another. Thanks for stepping up to the best tool money can buy. Win 10-piece combo toolkit. 1 winner per month. Win M12 fuel t-shirt. 850 winners. Register at. Enter this code on the website. So I'm going to put this over here. There's the charger. Just like the hammer drill and impact driver. Here is the 4-in-1 tool. The forward and reverse is up here instead of, and the lock instead of the detent switch on the side, which I like. Gear 1 and 2. Here is metal chuck. Which for some reason that one wasn't in the bag. It probably fell out the bag. Here is the right angle. Attachment. Here is the offset attachment. There's some oil in these baggies too. And here is the 1/4-inch hex attachment. Looks like a single ball detent. Instruction manuals are on the top. The charger as well as the tool. It also has this packet up here and a zipper pocket right here. We're going to move the bag out the way. I'll just put it up there. There's the charger and the 2 batteries it came with. Here's the tool. And the attachments. That's everything that came in the kit. So these batteries are at fuel gauges on the side. This battery is at 2 bars. This battery is at 2 bars as well. Okay. Check all these 6s while I have them sitting here. This 6 is at 1 bar. This 6 is at 1 bar as well. And the last 6 is also at 1 bar. So I have a bunch of batteries to charge. We're going to put this fully charged 2.0 in here. As you can see, it's fully charged. Pull this collar back. Okay. It's the chock. It's got a really nice tightening clutch in it. It's nice and smooth. We're going to put the 1/4 inch hex on here. It's got detents on it as well. Okay. There is (16) 17 functions including the drill, 16 without the drill. It's got a variable speed trigger. Pop this one off. We're gonna pop the angle on, which I believe it is. It's the offset. So this one's the offset, this one's the right angle, this one's an offset. It's got a really nice variable speed trigger. So you can turn it in certain directions. Here's the 90 degree. So you can put the 90 degree like that. And then you could add one of these attachments, the drill, the hex, or the offset to this one. Lock that one in. Now it spins at a 90 degree. It's just a quick demonstration what came in the kit. Take the battery out. Now we're gonna line these up. This is everything I got from Acme Tools today. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I will leave a link down below. Acme Tools right now is doing deals on the installation driver kit, this kit right here. And you get a free 6. They're doing a deal on the fuel hacksaw kit, and you'll get a free 6. They're doing the deal on the 5 3/8 circular saw, M12 circular saw bare tool. You get a free 6. And they're also doing it on a couple of other items. I will leave the link down below. If you add one of these items to your cart, like the installation driver like I have here, right above the checkout blue tab, there's a little box about this big. It's about yay big if you're on your phone, and it will say free offer of a 6 amp hour with select kits. If you click on that box, it will give you another option. And actually, while I have my phone here, I'm going to just show you guys acmetools.com. Okay, M12 installation driver. Just click on that one real quick. Okay, it's $229. If you click on it, this is what the tube batteries. Right there it says add to cart. Right here, right above it, it's a box. It says free Milwaukee M12 6.0 amp hour battery promotion, see offer. If you click on it, it gives you the option for the Milwaukee 2520-21XC, which is the fuel hacksaw with the 4 amp hour battery and a charger in a bag. It gives you the option for the Milwaukee 2530-20 149, the 5 3/8 circular saw. It shows the Milwaukee 48-11-2460F, which is the 6 amp hour battery that I showed. It also shows the Milwaukee Surge 2551-22 for $199, as well as the Milwaukee 2505-22, which is the installation driver. So if you purchase any one of these items here, you get a free 6. Hopefully that helps you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.